In today's video, we will go through the same exact strategy that helped us raise over 5 million in 7 weeks in investment deals. So if you are a hedge fund manager and you are looking to raise capital effectively and simply, so here's an opportunity to understand what's going behind the scenes.
Let's see what you got.
I'm sorry.
You smell that? What is that?
What?
What's that smell?
The cologne?
No.
Opportunity.
No. Money.
Okay.
I smell money.
Okay.
You will understand how to rise constantly without expensive tactics, without having complex strategies, without all of that. Simple, easy, and fast. You will learn how to ask for interest signals and get clear confirmations from cold leads that will be warm investors. You will understand the pain point targeted strategy.
Working for a living?
Every damn day. But I've got a nasty addiction called money, so I do what I do. You?
No, never. Until today. You know, they call us traders gamblers. The world economy is just one big casino, fueled by a giant debt bubble and computer-driven derivatives. There's only one thing better than being a gambler in a casino.
That's being the house.
That is right.
We use to generate inbound investors that has high interest, of high quality interest. You will also understand how to create relatable, engaging content that speaks directly to your target audience, so you will receive DMs, messages, emails from inbound investors who are looking to invest into your own hedge fund. But not only that, you will also understand how you can use methods, tools that will absolutely help you to have advantage in the marketplace and to make sure that you will leverage the advantage to your own side. You will gain the Google document of everything that we will introduce to you.
There's a systemized machine out there, sucking capital from localities and injecting it into the global markets where it can be used to speculate and manipulate.
The description below, and as always, you don't need to write down your email, you don't need to write down your contact information, you can just have it for your own self. You will have the all methods, the whole presentation in the description below, you can just download it. And if you are looking and truly looking to raise up capital and you understand.
And if something goes wrong, there are bailouts and bail-ins, federal aid and easing, where the government doesn't hunt you down, but instead gives you a nice soft net to land in.
That's your answer to the fireside chat. You want to become a bank.
You can do the transformation that you're looking to do in your fundraising journey. And if you're truly looking actually to do something new, to make sure that you will be one of the top hedge fund managers, so here's an opportunity for you to take a look on other videos that we have in the description below. You can take a look on them, and I'm 100% sure that you will gain what you are searching for. Let's dive in.
I want to become a bank
In order to rob it?
in order that I don't have to.
This is the same exact strategy that we are using for our clients to keep generating inbound investors. We close it. We have already closed it over 5 million in 7 weeks worth of investment deals using this exact strategy. I will give it away for free to you. So first of all, what you need to do right here is you need to go to Google Trends. Let's go to Google Trends. Then from there, we will click on Trending Now. Trending Now in the past hours. Let's take a look on that. Here's Google Trends. Trending in the past hours. Now I'm here in Sweden. Let's take a look. Let's be United States. Let's say that. All right, let's see what's trending for the past 24 hours. All right. And then after that, we will choose the business and finance category. Let's do that. Here we go. Take a look on what's trending that is niched into your own sector but broad. What that means, I will show it to you right away. So here's what we will take a look on. So, okay, let's take a look on that. Nike stock. Nike stock, that's what everyone in the United States, they have already searched it on. That everyone who is into the finance and business category, they have searched it on that. It has already went up 100%, 20,000 searched it on that for the last 23 hours. All right, Nike stock, Nike earning, everything that is related to Nike. Okay, very interesting. So what we can do with that is we create relatable pain point targeted content on that. Why we do that? Because we want to gain the audience that has already searched for this specific topic. Okay, because as a hedge fund manager, you need to take advantage of everything that is related to your own topic so you can gain the audience for this topic or for this sector, for this niche. Okay, because they are into or they are already into the Nike stock or they are into the stocks market, so they are potentially your audience and your target audience. So what you need to do right here is to create relatable pain points, targeted content on that. That's basically it. Because right now, when you are creating sales letters that are targeting their own pain points to viral topic that has already went viral for the last 24 hours, basically you will gain their attention because that's what they have already searched on in Google Trends. Correct? So, example, Nike stock, that's what we have seen, right? Nike stock went up only this much lately. So that's what we can have for example right here. So that's what we can have for example as content that you can create as a hedge fund manager. Nike stock went up only this much lately after X amount of time. So it has to be, you have to address that it has been for the same, at the same situation, or the same price for a long time. Well, our clients in X firm, let's say that, have generated X amount in Y days. So it has to be short time frame. So why you are doing that? You are just making sure to create certain of awareness to the audience who has already interacted with this topic, correct? And how you will do that is by giving this type of example. Correct? So you have to address about what you are capable to do right here. Or if they have already invested with you, what they will have already generated for shorter time frame. Okay? So that's what it could be. And example right here, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it goes always up in the trending topics in Google Trends, always. So what you can do, you can use that. Bitcoin made all the FOMO investors lose while we have generated Y return on our fund in only for the last 72 hours. Okay, but now you understand what you need to create content about, how you can create the sales letter to generate the audience, how you can build type of awareness. I have already talked about the awareness levels in previous video. You can also find all the links to the videos in the description below, so you will also take a look on that. But right now you are wondering about, okay, so I need only to write this content, what I need to do, how I will get them in, how I will connect with them emotionally, how I will bring them in directly. I will tell you. You need to use visuals in this content. Visuals have to be from their current pain point situation or what they are wanting to achieve. That's exactly what it has to be. Their current pain point that they have already waited a lot to get any return on their investment. If they have received any return, their current pain point, it could be that they haven't received any decent amount of profit on their investments. It could be that the inflation index will start to eat up their own money. It could be multiple things. You need to understand that's your target audience. You need to understand that. And it could be visuals on what they are wanting to achieve. So it could be what they are wanting to achieve. It could be the freedom. 24/7 freedom that they are not looking to spend any time on anything at all. That's what it could be, correct? I'm just giving you an example. It could be multiple others. Nurture the investors through known characters, visuals, or images in the video for them to relate to. It could be investors who has already generated a lot of investment profit before because that's their own ideal characters. It could be Warren Buffett, it could be the others, all right? So right now you are grabbing the attention of the target audience that you are targeting It could be visuals or images in the video for them to relate to. It could be about something of what they are going through in their daily basis with their investment journey so that they can relate to. You can start to use storytelling. I will also create a video on storytelling on how you can also generate interest of high quality interest from inbound investors by being a storyteller. It could be Warren Buffett or the Binance founder. If you're targeting crypto investors, you need to understand who's their own character, which is the Binance founder, correct? If you are targeting stocks investors or projects investors or startups investors, Warren Buffett. You get the point, right? So pain point, it could be losing investment or losing profit, being too greedy to sell early, unaware of how to identify a profitable investment anymore, inflation index rate, losing the value of their own money. You will also receive, or you will also gain the Google Doc right here from the description below. You can just download it. You don't need to write down your email or anything similar. Just download it and send it to your team. Do something with it. Desired outcome, it could be being on vacation, living beside the beach most of the time, doing 7 figures per month, traveling the world, etc. Short form content, not over the 1 minute max. So you need to create all of that with short form content, not over 1 minute max. The quiz questions is here to qualify the investors, because having any qualified investors and having meetings with them, they will actually spend your time, spend your offer, spend your own money, and you will absolutely not getting further with your fundraising journey. So from now on, you will understand how you can qualify the investors. So you don't need to spend more time, you need only to save more time and get more money. What we will talk about is the quiz questions. So you will also receive that in the Google documents. You will receive all the questions that you need to have to qualify them. But now we will talk about something that is more important for you, because if you don't understand this, you will not do anything else. You will not understand everything that I have already told you. So now you will receive them from trending topic from Google Trends. All right, you will take a look on the trending topics from Google Trends every day. You will take a look on what's it's related to your own topic or to your own industry. You will start to create relatable content to gain the audience who is interacting with this trendy topic. You will do that, and I have already told you how you can do that. Then from there, you will ask for a signal to confirm interest. So the best marketers, the best sales reps, they are asking for signal to confirm the interest. All right, how you can do that? You can do that after you have already gained them. You can see that you have already gained a lot of interaction to these posts that you have already created, or to the sales letter that you have already created. You can start to post posts with a free step-by-step guide on how you can do X and Y, and how you have already generated X and Y to your clients on the specific topic that is related to them. All right, to the same specific topic that they have already hooked them to be on your account. You understand? Because if you have already generated investors from crypto, let's say that, so they are only interested of the crypto investment. So you can start to create something related to crypto. So it could be step-by-step guide on crypto, something related to that, correct? So it could be something that will be absolutely beneficial. It has already benefit to them, okay? To specific to them, okay? Then after that, you will send the quiz to qualify the investor's interest, current portfolio, check size. So you need to do that. If you don't need to jump on the calls with someone who is not interested or not qualified. You need to qualify them before you are jumping on the calls. You will find also all the quiz question right away in the Google document. Then from there, you will book one-on-one to close the terms of the deal structure. That's what you need to do, step-by-step plan. That's what we are doing with our clients. That's what we have done. And that's what we are currently working on. You will find all the questions of the quiz that you will create in the Google document right here. You will find it in the description below. And if you want to take a look on other videos that will absolutely help you to raise up capital, you can find the links in the description below. The method, it goes like that. As you can see, trending topic from Google Trends, relatable content to gain the audience who has already engaged with similar topics as yours. ask for a signal to confirm the interest, and book one-on-one call to close the deals. At the same time, before you're going to book a one-on-one call, you need to send the quiz to qualify the investor's interest, current portfolio, check size, and where they are living. That's what you need to do are to keep getting input investors who has actually need to invest into you. You don't need to seek someone who has no need to invest into you. You need to have warm leads, warm investors who understand what you are capable of, what you are looking to do, and what you have done, and what you are providing to the table. In this case, you will close more, get more investments, and for sure, scale up better and expand way farther in your journey. As I said in the beginning of the video, you will gain the Google document of today's presentation with the message, with everything that you have seen in the description below. You don't need to write down your email, you don't need to do anything like that. You don't need to write down any contact information. You can just gain it and have it for yourself and scale up your hedge fund and get it to your team if you would like to.